But actually this close to completing a Cars 1, Cars 2 and Cars 3 Lightning McQueen in green. Obviously these are all fake factory customs, but today I'll be taking a close look at these. And the reason why I say they are super close is because this McQueen here is in the Cars 3 body but has the Cars 1 paint job. It is just such a shame that we didn't get the Cars 3 version. It would have completed the trio from the 3 movies. Obviously, On the Road just doesn't count, or any of the cartoons. So yeah, obviously, like I said, these are all fakes, and it is St. Patrick's Day, Tuesday. This is the last video I will be uploading this week, unless, obviously, there is news, or I get a new case in, which is probably unlikely, but it just all does depend. But anyways, let's start off with taking a close look at the Cars 1 version of Lightning McQueen. So yeah, he doesn't appear in the movie like this, but we could just imagine, you know, like an expanded universe. He looks so cool in green. We can see the red version here next to him, and actually this green one came out around about the same time as this pink one here, which I call the Pink Panther for Lightning McQueen. If you know, you know. Yeah, so I'm going to do the swap road because I prefer to review the one that I'm reviewing on the right compared to the left, so we can see, obviously, this is an official Lightning McQueen 2016 release with the flat eyes, and then we have this one here, which just says made in China 1186, same product code, etc, etc, but you can see here, he has a different expression, slightly. 95 is on the headlight still, all the above. The Rusty's medicated bump ointment is still the same colour, it's just that he is all in green here, as we can see. And then when we go to the, comparison on the top, gonna have to zoom in a little bit, or zoom out, zoom in. You can see he's got green rims, which is really, really cool. Fuel cap up here, which is a little bit smaller than the official release. 95 lightning bolt. Just looks really, really cool. And the piston cup sponsors from Cars 1. Green. I just love this green McQueen. It looks really, really cool. And obviously he still has his rookie racing stripe on the back. It is just literally in green. Again, it just looks really cool. I wish we got like an orange McQueen, a blue McQueen. Obviously not the Danica McQueen, just a blue McQueen in this. A purple McQueen. Like, come on guys, the factory customizers, they would still sell. It is Lightning McQueen. Like, let's be honest. Yeah, so there is that. Oh, I knocked Francesco there. But yeah, here we have the pink McQueen. Again, I'm going to move these to the side. Feel free to screenshot if you wish to do so. And obviously, I also have a white one here as well from Cars 1. These look really cool. Not sure if there is any other colours that I'm missing. Maybe there is, but there is that guy. And now I guess let's take a closer look at the Cars 2 Lightning McQueen. So yeah, here is the Cars 2 McQueen in green. He's actually one of the harder ones to get because there is the blue McQueen, the yellow McQueen, the white McQueen. Just the list goes on for the Cars 2 ones, but for the green one, he's actually one of the harder ones to get hold of. I actually have no idea why. Just I suppose he is very popular. But I do have an official Cars 2 Lightning McQueen here from 2011 with the unibody version. And you can see here by the base, it does say made in China. And you can see the two base variants here of how different they are. 351. And yeah, there's just so much different stuff here. Looking at the bases, but we can see the McQueen. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. I'm going to move this green McQueen out of the way because he is in the way a little bit. But we have the, again, it is exactly the same as the Mattel one, just that he is now in green. Hudson Hornet piston cup. Again, this logo might be a slightly different color. And when we go to the side here, just think of luck and slot machines, and maybe one day you could get the jackpot if you have this Lightning McQueen review on hand. Might do that next time I go to an arcade, actually. Kind of funny. Lightyear rims, they're all the same. World Grand Prix. I do like how the outlining is still green for the lightning bolt. Like on the official release, it is like ever so slightly green, but on the fake factory custom they kept it. So that is cool. Powered by All in All, again, looks really funny in green. Like you can see here, we've got the American flag on both sides. World Grand Prix, again Prix in green. Just looks very, very odd for sure. We've got the spoiler. Just see a different type of font they use, I believe, for the green. Just to make it, you know, so it's not too difficult. But there is a look at the Cars 2 Green McQueen. Here we have the Cars 3/Cars 1 Green McQueen. Now, this is so weird to say, but you can see what I mean. He has the Cars 1 sponsors. But it is such a shame that we don't have the Cars 3 version, because we have the Cars 3 Pink McQueen, which I did the video on. We have the Yellow McQueen. We have the White McQueen, which is actually a recent one as well. And I do have the regular May 1st release of regular McQueen here from Cars 3 to compare it with. I know it's going to be a little bit inaccurate, so I will obviously compare it to this one in just a few seconds. But we can see it is the same body shape. Just obviously, this is Cars 3, this is Cars 1. I'm not going to show too much. Obviously, he has the rookie racing stripe there on the back. And here is the base. Oh, turn it around. It does say model car made in China. That's how you know it is a fake factory custom. So I am going to compare him to the Cars 1 McQueen variant now. Oh, I mean, they're both Cars 1. It's so confusing to say. But yeah, the medicated bumper and logo is a slightly different colour here. This is like the regular coloured version, and this is like a darker maroon red colour. I like how the 95 has a white outline on it now, compared to before. We've got the Rusty's logo on the back. Really interesting, actually, how some of these just look really, really cool. Especially the Pink McQueen in metallic. See here the sponsors. Oh, instead of them being white, it's like this brown, black colour, which actually makes it look a lot better than the official release, because the official release has the sponsors with the white outlining, but the fake here has it in brown, black, which actually looks a lot better. And if we zoom in, just see how clear those decals are, especially on the Cars 1 version. Like the Cars 3/1 version is a lot better than the Cars 1 version. Oh my god, this is getting so confusing. You see in the 95, the lightning bolt again has a thicker outline. Rusty's, and then we go to the back here. Again, you can see just the slightly different colours, because it is a different mould, I suppose. But it still has the rookie racing stripe. Now let's look at the other side. The Lightning McQueen signature is also not outlined, whereas on the Cars 1 body version, it is. So just swap that to this, then it'll be a perfect Cars 1 3 McQueen in green. McQueen in green. Wow. That is something I never thought I'd say. But yeah, that is pretty much the end of today's video. I didn't expect it to be nearly 9 minutes long for a Lightning McQueen video. There is just so many different versions of McQueen now. There is also the, I believe the 2021 anniversary McQueen as well, which I got recently. You will see, probably won't see a video, but you will see that in the March haul. Anyways guys, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next video, and happy St. Patrick's Day.